So one of the first things that I would look at is how we can make the transition from an awareness stage to a thought leadership stage in the market, right? And by thought leadership, I don't mean building just a white paper, but it's a long-term dedication to helping customers solve their challenges via innovation, right? So thought leadership, the way I see it, is an ongoing activity with feedback loops from the market, right? And I give this process about 6 to 8 months, since there is a lot of work that needs to be done internally to achieve this. You would have to do various things like gaining an in-depth analysis into the industry to discover new use cases, setting up new processes that caters to that specific market, in terms of the regional nuances, that you have to cater to, and then also training the team on specific aspects of the product. And to do all this, you need to develop a very well-rounded perspective, right? Which starts with researching the market, understanding the competition, gauging the addressable market size, and then coming up with a great story that brings your competitive advantage to the fore. And when we talk about competitive advantage, in most cases, it's probably just a slide, but there's a lot of work that needs to go behind the slide. And there's a lot of research that you need to put in understanding the customer, in understanding how they behave, what they do, where they consume information, what are their top priorities, what are some of their initiatives like digital transformation initiative. What can you do? How do you align closely to that? So you have to ride on a few of these things and basically develop this entire perspective, and then you drive this perspective within the rest of the organization, right, to the other teams, because marketing plays a very critical role in go-to-market, and it is essential to get that initial traction right, because the whole organization, including sales and product and engineering, everybody is relying on you to give them the inputs from the market. So I think the more time you spend understanding the market, understanding your consumer, I think you would be able to better arrive at, contextualizing the understanding of the product market for different geographies. And then eventually this would reflect in your content assets, your event PPTs, your prospect meetings, where now you will be able to have meaningful conversations because you've spent that time in building this research and understanding of the market and the customer persona.